Hey, I'd like to share with you 3 of my most favorite things about this Dremel multi-tool. First thing has got to be the versatility of this. One, it's easy to hold in your hand, easy to use. It has 10 different speeds on it. So you can use it at a lot slower speed. You can use it at a quicker speed. You also can easily swap out one piece, throw in a totally different type, throw something else in there, and it's easy to go. And that's number 2, is the variety of accessories that you can use with this. As you can see here, it comes with a large variety of different accessories, and this isn't all of it. You can continue to add more and more to it for your specialized needs, but you have some cutting blades. They make them for wood, plastic, metal. You have here some grinding tips here. These are some more, kind of almost like a sandpapery feel to it. You have some very soft buffing sponges and variety of different types of drills and files and things like that. It even comes with this attachment that you could use it like a routering tool. Let's not forget the handy little case that it comes with. And number 3, it's kind of a little hidden thing. Not exactly hidden, but if you're not looking for it, you might just glance right over and not even see it. It's this little metal hook here. I pull that out. This is great that if you're working up on a ladder or you have your tool belt, hang it up on the wall in the garage, wherever you need. It's a nice little handy feature to have. And there you have the top 3 things about this Dremel multi-tool.